of open access journals than this one. So this is offering you the best information about open access journals. Now, to the other question which I was discussing is about when you're looking for a paper. Your natural thing for you would be that you would go for a keyword here and search it. But I don't go through that process. I click here. If I'm looking in Science Direct, I go through this process. Advanced search, find articles with these terms. And I'm getting the best information about when I'm doing the advanced search here. For example, because this is very easy to do. For example, I'm looking this about the same thing: concrete, fire. These are the keywords. So let's go searching for it. Now, if I want to refine my search, it's actually offering me year by year about concrete and fire. These are the best relevances. I can look with the in the date as well. Now, these are the best relevant papers and publications that you are getting year by year from 1998. So this is again a suggestion. For example, now I'm looking at this paper. I selected this paper. Now I think it's useful enough for or related to my work. I'm checking the keywords here. Reinforced concrete. I go back to the Science Direct. I go back to advanced search. Now I go back to this, find articles with these terms, paste. Let me type this: reinforced concrete. What is the other key term? Two-way slabs. That article was the main article that I wanted to look at, and I want further information from further articles that can be available. So there is another good term, numerical analysis here. So these are the terms that are relevant to my area of research. So I'll get a particular article which is related to your area of research. So you're going deep and deep into your area of research by using this simple methodology. You just have to check from here first your area, broad area. Concrete is my broad area, fire is my broad area. Any relevant paper out of this, you go into that, get the keywords, type those keywords here again, and you will get all those papers which are relevant to your area of research and relevant to your मेन पेपर. देयर इज ऑलवेज अ मेन पेपर अराउंड विच एक मेन पेपर होता है, उसके अराउंड आपके सारे पेपर्स. देयर कैन बी वन और टू और थ्री मेन पेपर्स अराउंड विच योर एरिया ऑफ रिसर्च इज फोकस्ड. बाकी सारे पेपर्स दे आर गिविंग यू additional supplementary information. They are also offering you certain information which is relevant to your area of research. So this is how you should proceed. That's what I feel with researching. There are various techniques of how do you research within the articles, but this is one technique. Now there could be another technique. This first technique is the best technique that I have found out when you are looking for a paper which you want to, all those papers that you want to get in your area of research. So there is one more technique. Now Elsevier offers that. Let's look into Springer. So there is an advanced search here in Springer. You're going to that. Now, here I want to focus on. There are, this is a very good way of looking into the papers. It's either with all of the words, with the exact phrase, with at least one of the words, without the words, where the title contains, where the author editor is. So when you're looking for a paper out, you're not actually looking for author. You're looking for keywords. Now, it will have, it should have fire and concrete somewhere there. So it will give me all the papers and publications related to this. But how do you then take out? It must have fire and concrete with, this is an important thing. This should be there with the exact phrase somewhere. Now, there should also be an exact phrase. For example, you are focused on, I'm focused on bond slip behavior. This phrase should be somewhere. Now it will, now the अब जो मुझे results आ रहे हैं, now they are actually quite confined results, and these are related to fire and concrete and bond slip. Bond slip is a exact term that is coming in these articles. Now you will get all those articles which have bond slip in their title, and fire and concrete, there is no mention of fire here in the title, but fire is mentioned somewhere within the abstract or in the body of the journal paper. So concrete is mentioned in the title, but bond slip is particularly mentioned here in the title. Bond slip is mentioned here in the title. So that's an exact phrase. So if you want to narrow down all your search, this is how you should actually look into. And Springer offers this, not Elsevier. Springer offers it in a quite a comprehensive way uh, that you can easily look for your paper. Going into uh, Scholar Google, uh, again, if I, this is, you can sort it out by date, you can sort it out by custom range, but you can also look for, I think there is an advanced search here. Yes. There is an advanced search here with all of the words fire, concrete, with the exact phrase bond slip. Now it's particularly giving me all those where You have fire and concrete mentioned somewhere within the article, and bond slip is in the title. Now, look at this. It's giving me the analysis of the bond behavior, but not the exact phrase bond slip in the title. So Scholar Google does not offer you, even though you're mentioning it as the exact phrase, it's not offering you in the title. It comes within the text of this article. So this is how you can actually narrow down your results for looking at the exact. So you should always use advanced search. Now there is one mention about which I mentioned in the first class that I took. Um, do you look for papers which are quite, for example, do you look for the first paper within 2021, the newest, the new paper? If I'm looking at the new paper 2021, these are the results that I'll get. तो उसके बाद हम क्या करते हैं? If I have to look for more papers related to this, let me check for any open access journal here paper. For example, this one. No, this one. No. For example, this is an open access journal. I have an idea about the references that are available. Now, these are the references that are available for this particular paper. Now, what do I do about this? These references. This is the most recent paper, the new paper related to this area. For example, this area of research here is review of current practice in probabilistic structural fire engineering. Now, I have a new paper available. These are the references. Now, this is something related to, now I want to look into this article. It's again mentioned from fire technology. So I now have this article. Now, what's the date of publication of this article? 2016. So from 2021, that paper, which had around 20-30 references, I now have shortlisted around 10 more papers